Good morning, everyone. Today is a beautiful day and a special day because today marked the first event of the drip season, and I'm very excited about it. And because of that, I get to take the Lexus out and test it out today. After all the work that we put in it for the past month or so, and last week just try to button up the car and to get ready for this weekend, I am excited to take it out to the track and do all sort of drifting with it. But yeah, other than that, I already loaded up everything in the car, so I'm gonna drive the Lexus to the track. And hopefully I am able to drive it back home. So other than that, let's just get on the road and see all of you at the track. Let's go. It's gonna be fun, I'll tell ya. Surprisingly, for a car with a makeshift DIY drive shaft, it does drive a little bit kind of smooth on the highway in like the interstate. But yeah, the drive kind of smooth with a little slight vibration because part of the drive shaft is made from exhaust piping. But yeah, it's kind of fun driving this car right now. Wink, wink. But yeah, all right, let's just keep going to the track. I just want to let you guys know this. Okay, my compadre, we have made it to the track with zero issue. That's already a W in my book, and the drive was kind of smooth, so pretty happy about it. So yeah, this is my friend Myra. She is going to drift her 318i hatch that she bought a little bit while ago to learn how to drift. This is her second time drifting the car. Also, this is her second time actually drifting. So yeah, I'm actually excited to see her romp it down. And other than that, she's going to give me a ride along a little bit later. And I'm also excited to be in a passenger to see what skill sets she gained and all the other stuff. Myra, are you excited to drift your tiny baby car?
Tiny baby car, yes!
Oh my
yes!
God, I am so excited to see that.
You're so excited?
Yes, and then...
Do you need a phone charger?
No, I think check out the interior, everybody.
Yeah,
look at that thing.
Yeah.
Flowery, nice.
Flowery, fluffy.
Sheesh. Alright, you gotta hit it hard, for the viewer.
Alright. My gloves? Real shit.
Pink, black.
Me and Alex.
Nice. These are my gloves, my bare hand. See?
Right.
Show me what you got, bro.
Alright. Guys, I'm very beginner. Am I good to go? I'm just gonna say yeah. Yeah?
Yeah, you're good. Alright, show me what you got, lady. You did good. What? Are you on third gear?
I did first.
Oh, damn. That was awesome. Actually, that was really, really cool. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drive the Lexus. We're actually gonna be drifting it just a little bit. It's gonna be a first part of just testing it out. Later today we're gonna have the open drift, so we're gonna be on the track and full sanding it. So yeah, so let's get into it and see what's up. that was so freaking awesome. The Lexus did pretty good on the figure 8 section, so I'm actually super happy about it. I can't wait to full sending it later today on the open drift. That's all I have to say right now. Other than that, we're just gonna go into the in between session, you know, take a break between. So just gonna hang out a little bit before we full sending to the open drift. So yeah, come and hang out. Show me your horn, sir.
Okay.
No way, dude. You gotta do it again. Do it again. Dude, that's freaking awesome, man. Holy cow.
Yeah, priorities, right?
Yo, that is a priority.
Exactly.
Holy cow.
I
The
know.
man, the genius himself. Pajama man. Woo!
I look how big the fucking like thing is for it. Look at this.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Well, that's crazy looking.
And then the horns are all under these.
Hell yeah.
Oh, that pinch is weird.
This is what happened to my front fender.
Alright, watch out, guys. Oh, drop it. Drop it. Ready? Good?
Oh.
On the money.
Hell yeah.
Now I want to do it because I'm like supposed to be a pro.
You never told me about that. I
I
feel like I'm getting gaslight right now.
did tell you.
You did not. You did not.
She probably is gaslighting.
You all try to gaslight me.
I'm not done.
No,
You're
Trisha.
supposed to be.
Probably not.
I drive, I'm going straight, I'm going straight, I'm going straight, and then I whip it really hard and hold it.
Are you doing it backwards?
No, I want to learn how to do a 360 real quick. On this little area right here.
Nice.
Get out of there.
Okay.
Very cool. I got you, bro. I'll record you.
Dang, look at this wrap drop. Wow, this is, wow.
It could be your
Really
dip.
good.
This dip pushing from the wrong.
Is it moving around?
Dip?
Yeah.
A little bit.
It probably was flex.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
This is blow. Whatever. That.
It could be every time she like the floor is just flat like that.
Exactly. It could wiggle
So,
like
yeah.
that.
Oh, it already hit it. If it flexes, it already just hit it right there. But hopefully it doesn't flex too hard.
Yeah, I don't think it'll flex too.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Can I take my jacket?
Yeah, there's a fucking heat shield right here,
Do you feel your drive shaft going loose or no?
No.
but no, that's tight.
Oh, you're good then.
Well, okay. I guess we'll send it until something breaks and then we'll know what it was.
True.
Yeah, pretty much. Like your axles are playing them, but that's normal.
That's supposed to happen.
What happened to your shifter?
Ruby kicked it and it fell off. Yeah. Anything?
You can't really know until you like, I don't know, kind of drive it. Or try like, at least kind of get the wheel spinning. So we can hear it. What's the sound like? Does it sound like this?
No, that's not there. Alright, that is awesome.
Could be your subframe. That's a possibility.
Yeah.
For what?
Your subframe. It's twisting itself. Do it again, bro.
Ready?
Woo! Okay.
You gotta get it going.
Oh. Oh, it's doing it, it's doing it.
Yo.
Hell yeah. the time is finally here for the open trip session. So I just got some fresh new tires on the back. So we're gonna prepare to go have a lot of fun. So I'm gonna do a little bit more, and then we're gonna get on the track and test out the car, having some fun and full sanding it. And yeah, I think other than that, we just gonna full sand and keep driving. Alright, let's see you guys in a little bit. Freaking awesome. The test day was a super success. I actually have a lot of fun. I get to test out the Lexus, and yeah, and I get to hang out with all my friends. So we are driving home right now. This is a bunch of more stuff that I need to do for the Lexus. Because suspension wise, it's need a little bit more stiffer spring, because the spring on it right now are still too freaking soft, and my body roll is very noticing right now. So other than that, the spring, and I think that's pretty much it. So as per usual, so if you guys like the video, please hit that like button. If you guys like my video, please hit the subscribe button to see more of my content. And if you guys have anything to comment, please comment down below, because it does help with the engagement of the video. I hope you guys have a good day, a good night, and have a blessed day. And I'll see you on the next video. Love ya. Goodbye.